In the next 3 minutes, we're going to be showing you guys how to make cheesecake.
This video is our milestone video because we have just reached 100 subscribers. Thank you for supporting our channel. When baking the cheesecake, it's best to add hot water to the pan for better results. Because we added hot water to the baking pan, the cheesecake did not stick in the middle or burn at the bottom.
As you can see, you can add whatever toppings you like.
So no matter what, it's good for everyone.
Thanks for subscribing to our channel.